hanzi taramba tatinix hamakmana yiti swasichapis vamwe voti 7 chishikayi kumkoba 7 ngoma dzake kanzi zinokupinza imu heaven makman hana mate satin hengephini latin sakandati 8 asakana saint atsengizvimatent kanobhadha range vamwe voti 9 kunyangwe yatakwane wine harari yake aritora sign boom. Listen,
yeah, man.
We give thanks.
I love the energy.
We give
I love
thanks.
the
You see,
talent,
every
I love the
time we
respect.
come on place, we
Yeah,
teach
man.
the youth.
Yeah.
We teach the youth energy at the biggest thing. You see me? Creativity and everything. We're talking this. We're talking about this because we have been there for some years.
Yeah, man.
And we humble still. And we give thanks to you.
Enough
Yes,
respect,
Emina.
enough respect. That is Backpan, Dan Gagan, holy power, niceness, outer Gueru. The guy's been making music. Remember, Earground, New Voices Amplifier. He's not a new voice, he's a golden voice. He's an iconic voice.
And before I leave, I may say,
Yeah, man.
big up yourself, uno ear ground. Cause muno burisa machuwa sound. Rampai muchirova zvimwe zviround. Mozo ndibvunza ndakuita unge killer pound. Blessed. Honor up yourself.
Yeah, man.
We give thanks.
Blessed.
Yeah, man.
Enough respect. Earground, New Voices Amplified. We're in the city of Progress, Gueru. It's amazing.